To have this line, y equals negative 2x plus 3, be tangent to the graph of the function kx squared, we need two things to be true. We need the line to actually touch the function. They need to intersect each other. And second, we need the slope of the line to be the same as the slope of the function, or the derivative of the function. So we can set up equations that represent those two facts that we need. First, to have the two actually intersect, we just need them to equal each other. So negative 2x plus 3 is equal to kx squared. So by setting these two things equal to each other, we're guaranteeing that they will intersect. And then we need the slopes to be the same. Well, the slope of the function is the derivative. So the derivative of kx squared we get by bringing the 2 down. Using our power rule, we get 2kx. And that needs to equal the slope of this line, which is negative 2. And now we have a system of equations that we need to solve. I'm going to go ahead and solve for x in this first equation, or sorry, the second equation here, by dividing both sides by 2k. And that gives us x equals negative 1 over k. And now that we have this x, we can plug it in to both of these x's in the first equation. So I have negative 2 times x, which is negative 1 over k, plus 3, equals k times x squared, and again, x is negative 1 over k. So negative 1 over k squared. Okay, now we'll go ahead and simplify here. We need to solve for k. So negative 2 times negative 1 over k is positive 2 over k. Okay, plus 3 equals, and then k times, a negative squared is positive, 1 squared is 1, and then over k squared. And now we simplify a little bit. So on the right side of the equation, k times 1 over k squared, one of the k's will cancel, and we're left with 1 over k. Okay, and now we can solve. I'm going to go ahead and just subtract 2 over k from both sides. And there are multiple ways to solve this equation. So if you wanted to do something different than what I'm doing here, that's fine. So that cancels. We get 3 equals 1 over k minus 2 over k is negative 1 over k. All right, and then we can do the negative reciprocal of both sides. And we get negative 1/3 is equal to